Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make your iPhone alarm louder. If you lower your iPhone's volume to silence notification or calls, it will also reduce your alarm's volume. To increase the volume without affecting your alarm, put your phone in silent mode or do not disturb. These modes won't silence your alarm. Just open the Settings app, go to Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringtone and Alerts, adjust the volume slider to the right to make it louder. If you want to use the volume buttons to control this in the future, turn on Change with buttons. And sometimes alarms are accidentally set to vibrate only or no sound at all. Open the Clock app and select the alarm you want to adjust or create. Tap on Sound. Ensure the alarm sound is not set to None. If it is, choose a sound, then tap back. Tap Save to confirm the changes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your iPhone alarm is loud and reliable for waking you up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.